Welcome to Nourish Nation. Today, we're unraveling the mystery behind soaking almonds and nuts overnight before indulging in their delicious benefits. You've probably heard that soaking nuts, especially almonds, can unlock multiple health benefits. But why exactly does this process matter? Let's dive in. Nuts and almonds are nutritional powerhouses, rich in proteins, healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals. However, they also contain phytic acid, a naturally occurring compound that binds with essential nutrients like iron, zinc, and calcium, preventing their full absorption in our bodies. Soaking helps break down this phytic acid, making the nutrients more bioavailable and easier for your body to digest and absorb. Moreover, soaking nuts initiates the germination process, beginning enzyme activation. This boosts the nut's nutritional profile, providing you with more enzymes, proteins, and beneficial compounds. Enzyme inhibitors present in raw nuts are neutralized during soaking, making it easier for your digestive system to process and break down these healthy snacks. The texture and flavor of soaked nuts are more appealing to many. Soaking results in a softer, creamier consistency that's easier to chew, and it can also enhance their natural flavors, making them even more enjoyable. When it comes to soaking, simplicity is key. Rinse your nuts under water and cover them with fresh water in a bowl. Leave them to soak overnight or for at least 7 to 8 hours. Drain and rinse them again in the morning. Store them in an airtight container in the fridge, and they're ready to eat or use in recipes. So, why not make soaking a regular practice? It's an easy step that maximizes the health benefits of nuts, giving your body what it needs to thrive. Join Nourish Nation as we continue exploring practical and simple ways to boost your health. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more insightful tips and to become part of our community. Thank you for watching, and remember, soak up those health benefits.